Hi, hello everyone. Happy to see you once again in this video. Here, the Samsung TE40A Smart Voice Search TV is there. Our Samsung engineer, Mr. Kadir, unboxing the TV, and he is preparing to wall mount it. Let's see. Yeah, first he is register our TV for future warranty. TV is coming with 2-year warranty, 1-year warranty for display screen, I mean HDR panel, and another 1-year warranty for total physical structure of the TV. Full detailed review of this TV is already posted in our channel. If you didn't see, it's given in the I button and also given in the description. In back side of the TV, the flower pin is there. You can connect the old DVD players or set-top boxes, and one optical port is there. Now our engineer is drilling for fixing the wall mounting stand. Yeah, yes, he is so smart. He is very nicely drilled all. One battery they provided included inside the box. Okay, just go and we have to fix it in the wall. Yes, check. Successfully and perfectly TV was fit in the wall. Okay, TV is turned on. Yeah, our remote is pairing. This is the invoice. Remote and the TV is pairing because it's a Bluetooth voice search remote. It's pairing now. I chose the English language. It's also available in all Indian languages. Just connect with our Wi-Fi for sign in. We connected with Wi-Fi. Yeah, let's do other and all setups. Voice assistant is there. Select one voice assistant. Which one is this? You can select Google, Amazon Alexa, and also Bixby. Remote setup. If you scroll up, if volume will increase like that. Solid and flexi remote they provided. Yeah, this is a small demo by our Samsung engineer. Thank you.